So I make it look very, very nice, but I just want you to see what I'm trying to say. It wants to see only this period. So that's just what it wants to see. So this gives you the time evolution of the data. So we can see all of this all the way from January up until December. So we can clearly see that. And when we try to do stuff like this, you need to now go to view and remove grid lines, remove this, remove this as well, and make it very, very plain. Remove this border. We don't want any line here. And we can make this big. We can have something like this. So we can have this. And this one as well can be clearly formatted. You can do lots of designing in this one, which I'm probably not going to do right now, but you can do lots of formatting, make it look like the way you want it to be. Just make it look very, very nice. You can